Myself Aman Sharma, and today's our topic is Gurido service. History of Gurido service. Gurido service is a term used in the restaurant business to refer to trolley service. Food is cooked, finished, or presented to the guest at a table from a movable trolley. French word Gurido means a round table from which food is prepared, carved, finished, and served. It was formerly known as Russian service. The food being served is usually partially or mostly prepared in the kitchen. Certainly, any preparation work such as chopping onion, actually cooking crepe, etc., is done there. The waiter then does the final assembly or cooking on the trolley at the side of the restaurant customer table. The might involved flambing on item or carving it or toasting a salad. Equipment is used in service. The trolley is equipped with a burner of cooking that can be powered by gas, electricity, or spirit. Some trolley will have a cold drawer as well. All will have a chopping board and cutlery drawer and be equipped with the necessary utensil for what the restaurant offer from the trolley. There will also be on the trolley a selection of basic condiments such as mustard, Worcestershire sauce, oil, and vinegar. Gurido trolley. There are different type of Gurido trolley may include flambe trolley, hot carving trolley, horizo trolley, desert trolley, and liquor trolley. Several reasons for Gurido service. It gives the guest the greatest possible personal attention. It makes the guest feel that he is receiving royal treatment. It commands higher process than other form of service. Enable the establishment to charge a higher price. Staff can show off their skill and provide showmanship as a form of entertainment. Ensure exact service, temperature, and stage for any dish sensitive to this. Turn food into entertainment. Stimulate demand in other guests for that level of attention. Safety and accident prevention. Care and maintenance of equipment, training, working environment, movement of staff, human factor. Advantage. It gives the guest the greatest possible personal attention. It makes the guest feel that he is receiving royal treatment. It commands higher process than other form of service. Enable the establishment to charge a higher price. Staff can show off their skills and provide showmanship as a form of entertainment. Disadvantage. Need to purchase expensive equipment and utensils. Need skilled and more staff. Need more room space and reduce sitting area. A slow and time consuming service can be dangerous and clumsy to other guests. Conclusion. Gurizo service is less popular now. For it to be particular restaurant dining room have to be less crowded with a label than many are now to allow enough space between table for the trolley to move and be positioned. Additionally, dining room staff need to be specially trained in how to finish the dishes being offered. It may also be that restaurant customers got bored with the same typical dishes that were offered as those dishes lost their novelty over the time. Thank you.